we'll give it a go.
Camera goes.
She knows she's on camera. Oh dear. Who's that?
Is that you? Is that you? Big old cheeky.
Hello YouTube. It's been a while. Figured we'd hop on for 2 minutes and let you know that we're still here.
Yeah.
It's how long's it been? 4 months? 5 months?
It feels like it's been longer than that.
Probably 5 months for you guys, since you've seen our faces anyway. We slowly started to get a few messages from a few of you. If that was you, thank you very much for sending us your thoughts. Yeah, a few people asking where we are. So we're all completely okay. All 3 of us are happy and healthy. Nothing's gone wrong or anything like that. We're just exhausted.
Adjusting to life.
That's a more professional way of saying it. I'm saying exhausted because of this one. We plan on uploading probably a proper video at some point with like our birth story of this one here, and kind of what we've been up to for the past few months. But we just wanted to let you know that we're okay. Yeah, nothing bad has happened or anything like that. We are just adjusting. We're slowly getting out.
Yeah. We've done like
we've had a tiny little walk
probably
today.
our first proper walk today. We've gone from Bakewell to Enza Tea Room
and back again.
Yeah.
And that's it. So yeah, we just wanted to hop on, let you guys know we're okay. Thank you for sending us your messages. Hopefully you've been keeping up with us on social media. If not, get over on Instagram and you'll see we've been keeping up to
I've
date.
been
You've
putting
posting a
like
lot.
the odd photos here and there, so
Yeah, so yeah, I guess thank you for your patience. We haven't packed this in.
no.
It's packed us in a little bit. But yeah, hopefully you'll see it
slowly
soon.
getting that energy back as well, so it's like it's been very much like physically baby steps. But yeah, it's definitely taken us a little while than we thought it would have just to even like make this video. So
We've been saying that we're going to do a 2-minute update video for the past 14 weeks. I don't know, it's been a while.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's been nice to get out. But yeah, I guess this is us signing off for a little bit. We've just had a bit of an extended break whilst we catch our breath a little bit.
yeah.
And hopefully we'll see you pretty soon. See you in a bit.
Bye.